Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 26th. I have some basil here that I had started off in this mason jar quite some time ago. I snipped off some of the basil from here and I've got it going in here. This stem here I started yesterday, so these here I snipped off yesterday. I'll just take those out for a second. But this one here, I've had this is about 1 week of growth, and check this out. Look at the roots on here. Unbelievable. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now is I've taken one of these little net cups, and because this is grown like this, I have to have some way to get through it. So I've sacrificed this one here, and I've just cut down and then just I've just cut out the bottom. And so I'll be able to take this, slide that in like that, get that down enough, just like that, and then I'll be able to place it in here. I think that's going to work out really well. So I will be filling that up with my nutrient, which is here. I might as well just pour that in. I just wanted to get this on camera. It's not going to be a great video. But since this one here has been growing so well with this little, mason jar with the nutrients, I figured I might as well go and try this one as well. So get that down. That looks good. And then bring that over. I want to make sure I'm on camera. So this here, perlite, I bought this on Amazon not very long ago, and it is amazing the difference. This one here doesn't have any extra nutrients in it, and the price difference between this and the one with nutrients, it is like night and day. It's unbelievable how much more expensive it is with the nutrient. But anyway, I'm going to be using this one here. This one here was, I don't know, it was about $8 or something. So 8.8 liters. What is that? That's, what does it say here? Doesn't say in pounds. But anyway, it's a big bag. So I'm just going to get in here. So that's what it looks like. And then we'll just get that in here. And just get that right in there. Some of it's going to go through, obviously, but I'm not worried about that. And we'll just get that in. Yeah, it's going to be a good little experiment. Now, since the first one started off in this little hydroponics mason jar, this one I think is going to do quite well. Okay, I think that looks good. So most of the roots are in there. Let's just tilt that up. So I just wanted to get this on camera so that I can come back to it, say in 2 weeks. If it's doing well, then I'll come back and show it. If it's dying off, then I'll show it as well. But I just wanted to kind of get that locked in. So so that's really it for this video. So basically, I just took the cuttings from this one here, and then I just got them into a little jar with my nutrients, just like that, which I've got here. I'm going to fill that up now before I forget. And that's it. And these are under the LED grow lights for 16 hours a day. Now if you're doing this in sunlight, when you first start these off, it's not really good to be having them in full direct sun. The sun's a little bit different. Well, it's quite a bit different from LED grow lights, in the way that it can, really shock your plant. But anyway, so there we go. So it's locked in, and we've got some good stuff happening. I'll come back and do a little update video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.